Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be the unboxing of our Target beauty boxes. So this is my son Matthew. He did join me because I did get a men's beauty box, or men's box for $7. Show them yours. Just lift it up. This was $7 and these were $5. Oops, these were $5. So I'll let him open his box first. I don't think it comes with something that says the items and the prices, but well, this is my first time doing it. I seen Kitty's boxes or Kitty unboxing, something like that. I'll leave her down below. So this is my first time doing it. Go ahead. Show them what it looks like once you open it. That's what it, ooh, smells good. That's what it looks like once you open it. Show. Tell him what it is. This is his first time on camera, guys. So, he's a little shy. So that is, it does show Crest Gum Detoxify Deep Clean Toothpaste. Cooling activated foam penetrates hard to reach areas, removing plaque bacteria for clinically proven healthier gums. Hint: brush teeth for at least 2 minutes to give the fluoride in toothpaste enough time to attach to tooth enamel and remove bacteria. But it doesn't show how much the price would be. And there is a little coupon for $3 off if you guys want to use that. You could pause the video and see that. So, next thing.
You can't really.
So he got a shaver. Okay. Gillette Skin Guard. There. Gillette Skin Guard Men's Razor. Unique Skin Guard Razor minimizes tug and cuts hair at skin level, preventing irritation and ingrown hairs. So that's good while he doesn't shave yet. But I'm wondering if I should keep that. Next product. Oh, nice. Okay, so Old Spice Fresher Collection Deep Sea Invisible Solid Deodorant. Reduces sweat, goes on invisible, and stays dry. So you smell fresh and clean. Let me see. Let me smell that. I haven't smelled Old Spice since, oh my god, since I was young. Smell that. That smells really good, huh? Especially when you do gym in school. That way you won't be stinky. Nobody wants to smell funkiness. Okay, go ahead. Okay. Dove. Men and Care Clean Comfort Dry Spray Antiperspirant. I don't know. I don't know. Oh my god. Okay. Spray goes on instantly, dry, and helps fight sweat and odor for 48 hours. Is that another deodorant? Let me see. Oh, the cap is off. Ooh. This smells like, oh yeah. Smells like the one that you use now. The Degree. But that's good. You could put it in your gym bag. So this is really good. For 48 hours, or so it says. We will see if you come home stinky.
Which I never do.
No, you don't. He's really good about keeping clean. What is that one, baby? Oh, Head and Shoulders. Okay. Head and Shoulders Old Spice Pure Sport Men's Anti-Dandruff 2-in-1 Shampoo and Conditioner. Gentle yet powerful formula fights dandruff while protecting your scalp against dryness, flakes, and itchiness. Oh, it's sealed. Oh, no, it's not sealed. Oh, that smells good. Look. Nice. There's some good stuff in here, guys. I'm so glad I watched her video because my boys, now that they're getting older, he's going to be 13 and my other little one is going to be 12. So, you know, this is really good. What is that? All kinds of tough. I mean, yeah, all kinds of tough. Oh, it's a Band-Aid. All kinds of love, waterproof, dirt-proof, life-proof. So, that is a Band-Aid. And Bulldog. Original shave gel, wash gel. No, shave gel, face wash, and moisturizer. Oh, that's good.
That's her.
That's really good for you. Okay, so into my purple box. I know it's like June, April, May. I'm way late to the game, guys. But because I barely found this, I wanted to do it. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like when you open it up. Again, there is a... Oh, grab that, baby. Again, there is a $3 off. First thing I do see is... Oh, how cute! Little... Is this earrings? What is that?
There. Yeah, I think the earrings.
Oh, okay, it's hair rings. It's for your hair. I don't know how to use that, but that is very interesting.
Oh, wait, I'm sorry.
Right here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. That's very interesting. I wonder how you do it. Wonder if you just braid it and put it in? I don't know. Okay. Next thing I do, pick one that way. Okay. Bliss Jelly Glow Peel Gentle Non-Abrasive Exfoliator with fruit enzymes. Are you trying to knock down all the lighting? This is Bliss Jelly Glow Peel. Bouncy jelly peel gently exfoliates and hydrates, leaving skin soft, fresh, and perfectly primed for smooth makeup application. Tip: when skin is damp, dot onto cheeks, forehead, and chin, then gently massage in a circular motion to sweep away impurities. That's cool. I like that. Then, okay, the SGX NYC Salon Graphics, the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray Volume Refresh Hold Dry Shampoo. I love dry shampoo, guys. That's basically...
What is your
Ooh, that smells good. It's like when you don't wash your hair, you put it on your hair so your hair won't smell. And then I got Dove's Dry Spray Go Fresh 48-Hour Antiperspirant. I think I said that correctly. I'm allergic to everything, so oh my god, that smells so good. So I'm scared to use different things besides the one I've been using since forever. Oh look, they taped it. That way it won't leak. That is really good. Thank you, Target. Hawaiian Tropic Antioxidant Refresh Sunscreen Mist. Why did you do that?
Hopefully they can hear some of it, like the wind against it.
Oh. It smells like coconut, but it has like alcohol.
Oh, they got my eye.
Alcohol smell. Real bad. Oh, okay. That is Hawaiian Tropic Antioxidant. Oil-free, weightless, and moisturizing sunscreen mist is formulated with age-proofing antioxidants and is ideal for touch-ups on the go. That's good. Then a mask bar. Holographic foil peel-off mask. Holographic peel-off mask helps revitalize moistures and illuminate the apparent skin hello glow. That is all. That's awesome. For $5, that's awesome. One more box and we are all done. So I'm definitely going to keep a lookout for July's box. That way I could get it for the correct month. So this is, I think, April's? I don't know. That is what it looks like. Ooh, ooh. That is what it looks like there. Oh, okay, so this must be a skincare. I just got you guys. I was like, click, click, click. Yay. African black soap, clarifying facial wash and scrub. African black soap absorbs impurities, controls excess oil, and detoxifies skin, while tamarind extract and tea tree oil brighten and clarify. How to apply onto damp skin, then gently massage into the face and neck using circular motions. Awesome. Then this one, hold that one up. Love Beauty and Planet Coconut Water Mimosa Flower Hand Cream. Face absorbing moisturizing lotion formulated with natural coconut water leaves skin feeling nourished and smelling delicately fresh. Is that a snack? Oh no, it's not. It's soap. I was like, I'm hungry. Okay, that one is a Jupiter. That one, Jupiter. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, Schmidt's. I don't know.
It's Juniper.
Oh, did I?
Yeah. You said
I said Jupiter. Okay. Cedarwood Juniper Bar Soap. Natural plant and mineral derived ingredients to help neutralize odor, while woodsy cedarwood and juniper keep you smelling fresh all day. Oh, this is a toothpaste.
This is chapstick. Wait, oh it is. Wait, they make toothpaste?
I guess. Interesting. Burt's Bees Enamel Care Mountain Mint Toothpaste, specially formulated to leave your breath smelling fresh, your mouth feeling clean, and your enamel strong. Say hello to sparkly smile. Awesome.
Juniper.
Which one is that?
I love and Beauty and Planet.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay. Love, Beauty, and Planet.
Yeah.
Maru Butter Mask Socket?
Hmm?
Brazilian Maru, an ethically sourced rose, deliver a deep treatment that helps visibly recharge color-treated hair with the boost of vibrancy and shine.
You got recharge, Jupiter and Jupiter. I know, what was it?
You should see me on my other ones, my other videos. They're hilarious. Okay, the good stuff. The Good Stuff Repair Balm. Plant-based detanglers leave locks soft, smooth, well lightweight. Micro-silicones shield hair from daily damage, repairing strands with every use. Psst. Comb through towel-dried hair, avoiding the roots, then dry and style as usual. Awesome! That is a whole lot of stuff that, I mean, look at all that. That is so good, and I just spit everywhere because I'm so excited.
They need it for fresh air too.
Do I look orange? I kind of do, don't I?
Yeah, me too.
I wonder if I messed with the settings while I was trying to set it. Okay, anyways. Okay, so that is all that we had gotten in our Target boxes. So if you like our video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, just press the subscribe button, ring the notification bell just to get notified whenever I do upload a new video. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye!